India is an adventurous paradise. You head out for a holiday, which quickly turns into a survival situation. A dream turns into a nightmare.
I'm thirsty, I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm lost.
Shelter, water, and food become a priority. A fire to keep you warm. But how? I'm Chandan Lahiri from OTS Survival School. I'll give you some tips and show you some tricks to use in a self-reliant situation. Do not think problems can only happen to other people. It can happen to you. Stop. Come here. Slowly. See that nest?
Yeah.
Quiet. There just might be a bird inside. So just approach it slowly and see if there's anything in there. It's unlikely because it's too much to the forest floor. And this is a branch which is obviously broken up. This is an old weaver bird nest, and if I can I'll just break that off. Wait. That's a weaver bird nest.
Show me. But where is the bird?
If we have found one, it means there are more such birds in this area, and chances are we'll find more nests like these. It means
Food.
We'll find a bird inside, maybe an egg inside. Now what I can also use this for, because there's no bird nesting in it, we'll carry it with us.
Yep.
We can take it home and use it as decoration. But since we're in the wilderness, we have another use for this.
What?
This will make very good tinder to start a fire.
Oh yes.
So this is absolutely dry grass. So what I'll do is I'll just take it off, throw the branch away. We'll crunch this up and we'll lay our ember here.
Yes.
This will catch fire, which will light the kindling, which will light the firewood, and we have fire. A good find, a bird's nest. Hey, look, do you see that?
What?
There, can you see that?
Oh, it's a nest.
Bird's nest.
Yeah, wow.
Beautiful ones. I think they're weaver bird nests.
Yeah.
And you know what?
What?
There'll be birds in there.
Yes.
And what does that mean? It means dinner. Let's go and figure out if there's a bird inside.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a find.
How will we reach
These
there?
are the weaver bird nests. It's high, and if this wasn't so thorny, what I could have tried is lifting you up, or you could reach in and get the bird. What if you're lucky? You might find eggs inside.
Okay. So let's try it, no?
That'll add to our protein. It's too thorny, so what we'll do is get a pole
We'll do
and
that.
break that. So let's find a pole. That's dinner. In the wilderness, keep your eyes open to opportunities. A bird's nest means food, and it means tinder for a fire. The more you carry in your head, the less you'll need to carry in your backpack. Always remember the 7 P's. Proper planning, preparation, and practice prevents possible problems. And remember, it can happen to you. Learn to adapt, improvise, innovate, and overcome. To learn more tips and tricks, visit this site. I'm Chandan Lahiri, and I hope to see you soon at the OTS Survival School. Leave nothing but footprints. Bring back nothing but memories.